the freedom and opportunity that awaited them in their new land. The steamers proceeded on into New York Harbor, and passengers got their first glimpses of the Manhattan skyline, including the Brooklyn Bridge, which spans the East River between Manhattan and Brooklyn. You may be able to spot its stone towers today. Over the years, several newer bridges have been added to the harbor's landscape, including the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, which connects Brooklyn and Staten Island. If you look out beyond the Statue of Liberty, you might see the Verrazano Bridge in the distance. It's the longest suspension bridge in the United States. As the passenger ships continued north toward their docks in Manhattan, they also passed Governor's Island across the properties offered by the National Park Service, including outdoor guided tours. Please stop by the Visitor Information Center for today's schedule.
An informative audio tour is included with your ticket and may be picked up when you arrive on each island. It includes a 30-minute Statue of Liberty audio tour and a 45-minute audio tour